Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back. I'm really happy you're here with me today because we're going to talk about one of the most important parts of learning English, and that is English listening practice. You see, when we talk about learning English, most people only focus on speaking. They say, I want to speak fluently. I want to talk like a native speaker. But here's something many learners forget. You can't speak well if you don't listen well. That's right. Listening is the foundation of good speaking. If your ears are not trained, your mouth can't follow. So today, let's take a deep journey into how you can build your English listening skills step by step, like a real, friendly conversation. So sit back, relax, and imagine that you and I are sitting in a quiet coffee shop or in a podcast room, just talking. Just me and you. No pressure, just learning and growing together. 1. Why listening is so important. Let me start by asking you something. When a baby learns their first language, do they start by speaking? First, they listen. They listen to their parents, their environment, songs, stories, everything around them. They listen for months before they even say their first word. That's how our brain is designed to learn language. First, through the ears. So if you want to speak English fluently, you have to listen to English like a baby. A lot. Every day and without stress. But I know listening in English can be hard, right? People speak fast. They use slang. Sometimes you understand the first sentence. Then suddenly they use some strange words, and you get lost. Don't worry. That happens to everyone in the beginning. And today, we'll go step by step on how to improve that. 2. Common problems with English listening. Let's talk about the real problems English learners face when it comes to listening. If you understand the problem clearly, you can find a solution easily. Problem 1. I understand English when I read, but not when I listen. This is so common. You're reading an English article. Everything is fine. But then you listen to someone say the same thing, and your brain goes blank. Why? Because in reading, your brain has time. You can read slowly. You can stop and think. But in listening, the words come fast. And if you miss one word, your mind gets stuck. You start thinking about that word, and the person keeps talking, and you miss everything else. It's like a train. You miss one station, and you miss the whole journey. Problem 2. Native speakers speak too fast. Yes, that's true. Native speakers often connect words. They don't speak word by word. Instead of saying, "What are you doing?" they say, "What you doing?" That sounds totally different from your textbook English. But don't worry, your ears can learn this. It just takes practice. Problem 3. I can't understand different accents. British English, American English, Australian English. Even within the same country, people have different accents. At first, it feels confusing. But slowly, your brain learns to adjust. 3. The right mindset for listening. Now, before we go into methods and tools, let's fix the most important thing, your mindset. Rule 1. Don't panic if you don't understand everything. You don't need to understand 100%. If you understand 60 to 70%, that's already a win. Even native speakers don't catch every word sometimes. Rule 2, be consistent. Listening once a week won't help, but if you listen for just 15 to 30 minutes every day, your brain will start to adapt. It's like watering a plant. Small drops every day are better than one bucket once a week. Rule 3, make listening fun. Don't just study English, live in it. Watch shows you like, listen to podcasts, Watch YouTube videos. The more you enjoy the content, the more your brain will remember. 4. Types of English listening practice. Let me share with you the different ways you can do listening practice. You can choose what suits your style. A. Passive listening. This means listening without focusing 100%. You play English in the background, maybe while cooking, cleaning, or walking. This helps your brain get familiar with the rhythm, tone, and melody of English. It's like music. Even if you don't understand the lyrics, you get the feel. But remember, passive listening is only one part. It's not enough alone. B. Active listening. This is where the real improvement happens. Here's how to do it. Choose a short audio clip, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Listen to it once. No subtitles. Try to understand the main idea. Now, listen again. Pause after each sentence. Write down what you hear. Then check the transcript or subtitles. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. This trains your ears and brain to focus. It's like a gym for your listening skills. C. Shadowing technique. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time. Like an echo. You hear a sentence and you try to repeat it immediately, almost like copying the speaker's voice. This improves your listening and your pronunciation. Start with slow audio first. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to train your mouth and ears together. 5. What to listen to. Here are some great listening materials you can use. Number 1. English podcasts. There are many podcasts made for English learners. Slow speed, clear voice. Start with that. Then move to native podcasts like TED Talks, BBC Learning English, or podcasts on topics you love, technology, health, motivation, anything. 2 YouTube channels. Watch channels like English Addict, Speak English with Mr. Duncan, or even this channel, English Elevate Express. If you're listening here, you're already doing a great job. 3. Movies and TV shows. Start with subtitles. Then try watching without them. Repeat scenes. Try to imitate the actors. Shows like Friends, The Office, or Modern Family are great. 4. Audiobooks. Books you already know in your language. Listen to them in English. Try The Alchemist, Harry Potter, or simple novels. Audible is a great app for this. 6. My personal daily listening routine. You can copy this. Let me share my personal method that helped me improve. And you can use the same. Morning, 10 minutes. Passive listening while brushing teeth and getting ready. Usually a podcast episode. Afternoon, 15 minutes. Active listening. I choose a 2-minute clip and do writing plus shadowing. Evening, 20 to 30 minutes. Watch a TV show with English subtitles. I write down new expressions. Before sleep, 5 minutes. I play some English audio to relax. Total time, just around 1 hour per day. But it feels like fun, not study. And you can reduce this time or do it your way. 7. Useful tips and tricks. Let's go deeper now. Here are some powerful tricks to supercharge your English listening. Number 1. Repeat one audio clip many times. Don't jump to new content every day. One 2-minute clip, repeated for 3 days, gives more benefit than 6 different clips. 2. Use slow speed and then normal. Most apps let you slow down audio. Start slow, then slowly move back to normal speed. 3. Don't translate in your mind. Train your brain to understand English in English. For example, don't hear, "How are you?" and then think in your language and reply. Just feel the meaning. 4. Talk to yourself. After listening, repeat what you heard in your own words. Even talk to the mirror. This helps reinforce memory. 5. Focus on phrases, not words. Native speakers don't speak word by word. They say gonna, wanna, gotta, etc. Learn to hear those patterns. 6. Use subtitles smartly. Watch first with subtitles, then without. Try to guess words from the context. 8. A real-life story. Listening changed my English. Let me share something personal with you. When I was learning English, I thought I was smart. I read grammar books, I memorized vocabulary. But still, when someone spoke fast English, I got lost. Then one day, my friend gave me a podcast, Simple English Stories. I didn't understand at first, but I listened every day. Again and again. After 1 month, boom. I could understand 60%, then 80%, then 90%. That's when I realized listening changed everything. Today I speak confidently. I watch movies without subtitles. I even understand jokes in English. And I owe it all to this one thing: daily listening. So if I can do it, so can you. 9. What you can do. Starting today. Let's not wait. Here's what I want you to do today. Choose one audio or video in English, short and simple, and listen to it 3 times. First passive, then active. Try shadowing one paragraph. Write down any new words. Speak those words out loud. Do this every day. In 30 days, you'll see a big difference. Your ears will be sharper. Your brain will be faster. Your speaking will feel smoother. 10. Final words. Your ears are the key. Remember, English listening practice is not something extra. It's it's essential. Train your ears, and your mouth will follow. Listen more, and you will speak better. It's simple. And always remember, be patient with yourself. Learning takes time, but every second you spend listening is an investment. You're not wasting time. You're growing. So from today, promise yourself, I will listen to English every day. I will enjoy the process. I will never give up. I'm proud of you, my friend.